Why you need to sell on Etsy. It is important that you are fully aware of the benefits of selling on Etsy, so that you will have the motivation to create your own Etsy shop and promote it. In this article, we will provide you with the top benefits of selling on Etsy, so that you can be confident that all of your efforts will be worthwhile. Etsy is essentially an arts and crafts platform, but there is plenty of scope for you to find products that you can sell for a profit. You do not have to have art and craft skills to be successful with Etsy. There are plenty of successful Etsy sellers that have never created any arts or crafts in their life. You might be wondering why you should sell on Etsy instead of other platforms. Well, there are many reasons that make it a great choice for sellers. For one thing, the marketplace is full of potential customers who are interested in buying handmade goods and artisanal products. There are also no listing or transaction fees, which means more money in your pocket. Click the link to read on and claim your free copy of the Etsy Profits Secrets ebook showing you how to sell on Etsy and make money.